Welcome! In this Analysis for Excel quick tip video, we'll take a look at comparing labor commitments to consumption actuals in Analysis for Excel. For more background on the Analysis for Excel tool, please visit our help files website. A good report for comparing labor commitments to consumption actuals is the Labor Commitments Consumption Details by Organizational Unit report. You can find this report in the BI Launchpad from the Human Resources Payroll folder. In the prompt screen, you can select the organizational unit you want to view. The report runs all the values until the selected year. If you want to view only the current year commitments, after you've run the report, click the Fiscal Year column and filter from the Analysis tab, and then select the current year. The report shows commitment item per posting period. You can see the budgeted amount in the Planned Commitments column and the paid amount in the Consumption Against Planned Commitments column. By clicking the plus sign next to the Consumption Against Planned Commitments, you can also view the Unplanned Consumption and Total Consumption, that is the sum of the planned and unplanned consumptions. Finally, you can see in the Outstanding Commitments column what still remains to be paid. If you want to take a more detailed look for consumption per employee, in the Analysis tab display menu, drag Employee to the Rows section. This report shows you the consumption by org unit, but if you would rather see this information by fund or sponsored program, there is a report that does just that in the same Human Resources Payroll folder called Labor Commitment Consumption Details by Fund and Sponsored Program. Thank you for watching this episode of BI Quick Tips series. You can find all the BI Quick Tips videos on the Help Files website. Until next time!